Your voice can speak volumes, your energy. You can call someone or message someone and go, hey, I got this product you really got to try. I think it's really going to change your life. And you're like, okay. Or you can be like, oh my God, I got that. You have to try this. No, seriously, try this. If you haven't tried this yet, you're missing out. There's a difference in the energy. Don't rely on other people to run your business. Don't rely on your uplines. Don't rely on somebody else doing what you should be doing. This is Le-Vel. This is Thrive. But at the end of the day, you are the owner of your business. These are your customers. Treat it like that. This is your business. You are the CEO of your business. Don't wait for someone else to do your job. I never sat back and waited for an upline to get in, to close, to get on calls, I did it. Everything comes full circle. So when you're doing what you love and what moves you and what lights your soul on fire, nothing else matters.